Hey, sweet friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, we're going to read the Itsy Bitsy Spider. And the reason we're going to read this today is because I want you to remember the letter that we learned yesterday, the letter I. Remember, little Indian said, I don't want to eat my vegetables. And when his mama put that plate in front of him, he said, eh, eh, eh. And so we're going to read the Itsy Bitsy Spider. The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. Do you hear and itsy? And then I want to show you something else. Let's listen to Itsy and then bitsy. Do you see how those words sound the same at the end? Those are called rhyming words. So let's listen for some more rhyming words. And then let's listen for words with our sound. Ooh, the shiny, tiny ladybug went up the water spout. Shiny and tiny. Those rhyme. Down came the rain and washed the lady out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the tiny, shiny, tiny ladybug went up the spout again. All right, friends. Good job.